have to check the record books on that one, buddy. You don't need to pick the phone. Leave it there. Yep, to protect it. This first terrace. Who's going duking, bud? I was joking. Part of this is here because it actually mound that collapsed right here. Going up the stairs. Put these every 80 to 100, maybe 120 feet, and that just served as like a lookout, and you know, they could like, yeah. So this is Mound B over here by that other little area to the side of it where there would have been a plant. Overlook here. I'm visiting an awesome museum here. You need to definitely